Bonjour. The wheels of fate led you to a strange place today. Let us see if you will walk away or not.
I'll be honest, I've never been in a situation like this before. I'm not sure what to do. I don't like being watched.
If that was something you needed, do you think I would tell you? Sometimes it's easiest just to defend yourself. You understand me?
Stop watching us. Ammo's out. Well, shit.
This really is not a very
Gonna
efficient
break
way
your
of
thing down.
ending your life. But orders are go find a place to use that. There is more fun ahead. Fun for me, at least.
Break through. I've got a healing spray ready. I've got it. This is a general feeling. That's what I've got. What a perv. Group up for healing. Let's go. Time to get out
There
of
is
here.
more fun ahead, and possibly death.
Well, that's better.
Bravo! Let us see how much further you can go.
That's enough watching for you. Huh. Check this out.
He feels no pain.
There's gotta be something
Perfect
useful
machine
here.
for this endeavor.
Let's have some privacy.
All the pieces I have put in place here. You have no hope.
Get near me and I'll heal you.
Almost for you. It is harder if you like. Take a security guard and you can go and see what I have prepared for you next.
No more ammo.
Down that camera. I've got this.
Taking out this camera.
Well done, Daniel. Why, thank you, Daniel. It was most excellently played.
Hacking. Gonna have to find a new channel,
It
asshole.
will pass. All things pass with time.
Taking it. I think I can break through. Steady.
Night night. Let's go! It might be our only
So
chance!
many
Move!
of you left. More food for the undead in this area. We kept them hungry for you, in case you got this far. You continue to fight, and the depravity of the game goes deeper. This is good for me, however it ends.
Overheating that camera.
I might be able to see something. I'll block this camera.
He feels no pain.
There's gotta be
The
something useful
perfect
here.
machine for this endeavor.
I don't like being watched. Don't fuck with me. Shit.
Sometimes it's easiest just to do things yourself. You understand me? your pain. The perfect machine for this endeavor.
Piece of junk.
Mine, mine, mine. Fuck you all.
Ugh, I feel like ass.
Alright, I'm tired. I'm gonna do some.
Let's have a closer
I
look.
confess, I admire your dedication to breaking shit, but this is hopeless. You should give up now.
We apologize for the short interruption in your service. What a perv, just as I thought.
Taking out this camera.
Door's locked.
Doing it.
Gonna have to find a new channel, asshole.
A fittingly brutal weapon for a brutal game.
I'm so scared. My hearing is acute. I can hear everyone's bowels releasing.
Look at you, all doing so well. One last chance for me to kill you yet. risk of dismemberment, please say bonjour to our guest star, Mr. X.
Wow. This is no good.
The exit's open! Let's go, everyone!
Here now.
Ooh,
Shit,
that's quite nice.
I might be able to see something.
Not doing so well.
Hexaplant! It's groomed to stare.
Get ready. Here it comes.
I mean, I don't care what happens to me for the rest of my life. All I know is that you guys are my friends.